This is the next practicing of making a connection that is consists of three routers. I keep the name of each router as router Solo for router 0, and then router Semarang as the head office, router 1 and router 2 as the router Jogja. But there are two routers that connected to the router Semarang directly ya, but router Semarang connected to both of them, Solo and also Jogja, but Solo and Jogja, they are not connected each other. We only make this connection, and we will make one of the router will be the center point of this connection, and this is router Semarang as the head office and Solo Jogja as the branch office. So we will configure the connection based on this layout ya. Okay, for the router Solo that is connected to the Semarang directly is using serial 010 with the IP 10.10.10.1, and for the router Semarang that is connected to the router Solo directly is using serial 010 also with the IP 10.10.10.2. Now in this connection, because one of the router is the main point, is the center point of the connection, so we have to check all of the routers first before configuring to the router. For example, if we are configuring router Solo, so there are three kinds that we have to configure that. Maybe in this connection we are not going to configure the RIP, we just need to configure the fast Ethernet, of course, to connect the router to the LAN. Fast Ethernet in this node is connected to the FA0/0 that is connected to the LAN Solo, and serial of the router Solo that is connected to the router Semarang. So for the fast Ethernet 00 router Jogja or router 0, we are using IP 1.1 and the subnet mask. And for serial 010 of the router Solo, we are using 10.10.10.1 and the subnet mask. In this connection, when router Solo will send packet data to the router Jogja, to the LAN Jogja, the packet data from LAN Solo will travel through the router Semarang first, and then from the Semarang will be forwarded to the router Jogja. So LAN Solo cannot send the packet data to the router Jogja directly because there is no connection between them. Now, to make or to open the route between Solo, Semarang and Jogja, we are going to configure IP route in the CLI. But you can use this config and then routing and then static for the IP route. Once more, we have to check of the connection first. from router Solo to router Semarang. We have to configure the IP route twice because we are going to make a route from Solo Semarang and from Solo Jogja. Okay, for the routing of Solo Semarang, we are going to use this network. This is the IP next LAN. IP next LAN. It means IP LAN Semarang and IP LAN Jogja. The first is IP LAN Semarang first with the number 2.1 for the fast Ethernet, but for the static routing we are using 0 for the host IP. And then subnet mask, and then the next hop. The next hop is the next route from Solo to Semarang, because Solo is connected to the Semarang directly. So the next hop of router Solo is router 010 from the router Semarang with the IP 10.10.10.2 and then add. So it will be like this. We can read this network address like a route, a main route to the whole connection from LAN Solo or from router Solo. So when the LAN Solo will send the packet data to LAN Semarang, LAN Solo has to save store, have to save or store the IP address of LAN Semarang, IP address fast Ethernet, and also IP address serial Semarang. After click add, we will configure the second IP route to make a route from Solo to Jogja. Because the packet data will travel through the Semarang, so the network is using 3.0. This is the fast Ethernet IP of router Jogja, this one. And then subnet mask we have to write manually, and then the next hop is still same because router Solo will go travel through the router Semarang as the next hop because they are connected each other. And then click add. If you wanna add RIP configuration, you can add the RIP from this, and then the network is the fast Ethernet IP of each cities. For example, because this is router 0, router Solo, so the network is for the for IP LAN Semarang 2.0 and then add. You can add this configuration, but I didn't use this configuration because when I didn't use the RIP, the message or the packet data already successful sent. Once more, this is the IP for for LAN Jogja, and then add. It's okay, it's up to you. You wanna configure both of them of routing, static and RIP, or just static only. The main point in this connection is you can determine the router that is connected each other directly. So you can determine the next hop of the connection. What is the meaning of next hop? Next hop actually is like a route, a path, jalur ya, yang terkoneksi, that is connected router to router directly, secara langsung using serial cable. The maximum of next hop for RIP is 15 hop, 15 count atau 15 router when we are using RIP. Okay, the configuration of router 0 is already finished. We already configure fast Ethernet for the LAN Solo, serial for connecting router Solo and Semarang, and then the static route or IP route ya, when we are using CLI. This is to make or to open a route or a path to the whole connection. Okay, close, and then we will discuss to the router Jogja first. That is same as the router Solo. Config, of course, FA0/0 with the IP 3.1, and then the subnet mask, and then serial. The serial of Jogja is using 010 ya, with the IP 30.20.20.2 and the subnet mask. Serial 0/1/0 of router Jogja is connected to the serial 011 of router Semarang. So router Jogja Semarang is using different serial cable with the router Semarang Solo. And then static route or IP route ya. Jogja will do communicate and sending some packet data to LAN Solo and LAN Semarang. But when Jogja will send some packet data to LAN Solo, the packet data from LAN Jogja will travel through the router Semarang, like the router Solo before. So the network of the IP route or static route, we are going to configure Jogja Solo with the IP FA of Solo is 1.1 in here for the FA. But for the static route, we are using 0 as the host ID. And then subnet. And then next hop. The next hop is Semarang 0/1/0 with the IP 20.20.20.1 and then add. Once more, for the IP route of router Jogja, we are going to make a connection to LAN Semarang ya, with the IP fast Ethernet of Semarang is using 2.1 in here. So we have to configure the network 2.0 for the static route, and then subnet, and then next hop. The next hop is still same ya, because Jogja of course will to communicate and sending some packet data to the LAN Semarang through the LAN Semarang, through the router Semarang itself, and then add. configuration of router Jogja already finished, but if you wanna add RIP, you can write in this configuration by typing IP of Fast Ethernet LAN Solo 1.0 add, and once more 2.0 and then click add if you wanna add this configuration. If no, it's okay ya, as long as your connection between LAN Solo, Semarang and Jogja are successfully sent. Okay, that's for router Solo and router Jogja that are connected to the Semarang directly. And then now for the router Semarang as the center point that is connected to both of them, Semarang Solo, Semarang Jogja, we have to configure fast Ethernet, yeah, of course, with the IP 2.1 and subnet mask, and then 010 serial that is connected to router Solo with the IP number 10.10.10.2. This is using same network ID as the router Solo ya, because they are connected each other directly. And then for serial 011 that is connected to router Jogja in here, this is using the same network ID as the serial Jogja 20.20.20.1, and then for Jogja the host ID is 2. After that, we go to static route. Now there are two configurations also in this router Semarang, for the static route or for the IP route. The first is when router Semarang or when LAN Semarang will send some packet data to router Solo, so we have to make the connection first from Semarang to Solo because they are connected each other directly. So we only need to type the IP address of FA Solo 1.0 and then subnet mask, and then the next hop of Semarang Solo is using this IP, the serial IP of router Solo. And then add. Once more configuration for the IP route Semarang Jogja ya. So the network is 3.0. The subnet mask still same, and then the next hop is serial of router Jogja directly 20.20.2 and then add. Now that's the configuration of the main point of the router. In this connection we are using router Semarang as the main point, as the head office. If you wanna add the RIP, you can add the RIP of the next LAN. So this is IP LAN Solo 1.0 and then click add on, and one more 3.0 and then click add to connect LAN Semarang and LAN Jogja. Okay, like that.